Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney bot on your Discord server. But before you will do it, you need to do the simple thing. You need to join Midjourney's official Discord server, guys. So to join their Discord server, you should go to this website, which is called midjourney.com. I will leave the link in the description, and you should click the join the beta button. Once you click this button, you will automatically redirect it to their official Discord server, and after you will join, Midjourney will give you free trial, which includes 25 free images, guys. You can create 25 free images with Midjourney with this free trial, and if you will be interested to buy the subscription, you just need to go to any of these rooms, for example trial support, and you need to type subscribe, click this, enter, and go to this link, and you will be able to buy Midjourney subscription. I have the video about it, so you can watch my video about how to subscribe to Midjourney. So after you have the access to Midjourney, now you can add Midjourney bot to your Discord server, and now I'll show you how to do it. When you go to their official Discord server, in the right side you can see here Midjourney bot. You should click on Midjourney bot and you should click add to server, and here you should click select the server, and here will be the list of your servers, and you should choose the name of your server. For example, this one, you should click continue, authorize, and this bot will be automatically added to your server. Now we can check. As you can see, I added a Midjourney bot on my server, and now we can start using the Midjourney. For example, imagine prompt monkey. A monkey is drinking a cola. So let's click enter, and Midjourney will do its work. As you can see, guys, Midjourney created an image on our Discord server. So from this moment, you can start using Midjourney on your own Discord channel to avoid this mess you see on their rooms, guys. There are plenty of people creating images, and you can avoid them, and you can use Midjourney in a peaceful way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.